All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to combine information from two surveys. Now, these surveys, my surveys do not have a ton of information in them. Yours will have more, but the process is the same. So I'm going to go to responses on one of the surveys, and I'm going to click on the green button that looks like a spreadsheet near the top right. And I'm going to create a new spreadsheet. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other survey. So I have a spreadsheet of responses. Yours should not have collected email addresses. I just did this really quickly, so I didn't undo that. And then I'm going over to this other copy, and I'm going to responses and clicking on the green create spreadsheet button, and I'm creating a new spreadsheet. All right, so I have two spreadsheets. You could combine them into one of these spreadsheets. I'm going to just make a new spreadsheet, and I'm going to call it combined survey data. So I'm going to go new spreadsheet, and where it says untitled spreadsheet, I'm going to title it combined survey data. Okay, so I'm going to go to one of my surveys, and I'm going to copy everything. Actually, I also want the titles. I think I'm going to click up here on the top left to just copy the entire spreadsheet. And I'm going to use Control C to copy it. And then I'll click on the box above the 1, and I'll Control V to paste it there. All right, so that way I did get the titles as well. And then I'm going to go to my other one. And this time, because I already have the titles, I'm just going to select the boxes that I want. And then I'm going to paste them here. Okay, so now I have a spreadsheet that has my combined data. If you want to be able to sort these by grade, that should be something that we can do. And actually, I need to find it real quick, so I'm going to pause my video. All right, so I'm going to highlight what I want to sort by, which is the grade. And then I'm going to data, and I want to sort the sheet by column C. So let me just make sure that's not going to mess things up. I've got 9th grade is green, black, blue. Okay. So column C. Yeah, okay. So that worked. And for some reason this came to the bottom, but I figured it out. It's okay. So now it's going to be easy for me to calculate when I make a table. And in my presentation, I'm going to have to make a table. So insert table, and it's going to have the grade level, and it's going to have the question answers. So I think I had 4 answers. Okay, we'll start with that and see how that works. All right, so I'm going to put in grade, and what was my first question? Green. It was what favorite color, and so I had green, black, blue, other. Oops. Favorite color is the whole thing. This is going to be green, black, blue, and other. All right, so I had 9, 10, 11, 12. And I think I need one for a total. So I'm going to go back to the format table, and I'm going to insert a row below for my total. Welcome. All right, so now I should be able to see how many 9th graders I have of each. So 9th graders that picked green, 1, 2. Blue is 1, black is 1, and other is 1. So I had 2, 1, 1, 1. All right, 10th graders, 2 chose black, 1 chose blue. And I only had one 11th grader who chose black, and then my 12th graders chose green and blue. Okay, So we are going to put the totals in there as well, and we'll put in zeros for anything that's a 0. But this is going to be the easiest way to do your table. So I'm just putting in zeros, and then I'm totaling my columns. All right, so then we were going to make a pie chart. So I'm going to add a new slide. And from my pie chart, I'm going to go to the combined, and I'm just going to highlight the colors. And then I'll go to Insert, Chart. All right, and for you guys, it doesn't really matter what color each pie piece is. For me, because I have the color green and it's actually blue, I'm gonna change them. So I'll make other orange, and the blue will be blue. But for you, it doesn't matter what colors you make them. Okay, and then you want to make the title your question. So my question was, what is your favorite color? Okay, then you can copy that into your presentation. All right, so you'll remember that there is a lot more to do in terms of analysis. There's a sample slideshow in the project information folder that will help you. And I just wanted to demonstrate how you can combine your data and then make your table and your graph. I'm going to stop my video.